Them say coconut water wash your heart, but like coming to the yard, this is what may happen. In the same breath, I'm gonna use the flesh to make a vegetarian dish. I'm gonna show you how me open it. I'm gonna wash it first because I don't want to introduce anything inside of it and make me sick. Knife. Pierce it. Cheers. I wish I could share some with you, but it's so refreshing. Let's move on to breaking the coconut. The name of the dish that I'll be preparing is called Chickpea Rundown. Not new to my channel, I've done one previously. So let's say it's a retake or a 2.0. So I've broken my coconut. I'm wondering how you break yours. That this is for persons who may have not removed the flesh from a coconut before. And if it's something that you're interested in, please exercise caution to prevent you from getting cut during the process. Who else like to eat a piece of the coconut when they're preparing it? And the husk. Just make your way around it. Be careful not to cut yourself. I am repeating the process and trying to go as slow as possible, just in case you want to learn how to remove the flesh from the husk. After washing this coconut, I'll cut it up into small pieces, blend it, extract the juice, then put it in a pot and allow it to reduce. You have the option of either using store-bought chickpeas or the dried ones. I prefer this option because it gives a softer consistency. These chickpeas have been washed and drained, waiting to go into the pot. So that's the coconut milk. It's been reduced. I'm actually adding seasonings to the pot. This is where I have to stop, guys. I was not able to record anymore, but you give this a good stir, allow it to simmer down for a little bit more, serve it on rice, anything you like, and enjoy. Hope you were inspired. God bless you.